Good morning, everyone. Today is the 24th of July. Yesterday, Nasdaq has smashed all the targets we set up for ourselves. So let's go back to the chart and actually remove everything. Of drawings. Let's look at the weekly candle. And the reason for that is because today is Thursday. Let's look at how the candle formed. So we have had an open, low, high, and likely we'll get a close someone around in this area if it doesn't continue higher, which I'm not sure it will, but let's analyze. So bullish weekly chart, overall still strong bullish trend, right? If we go to the 4-hour chart, we do have news today, so be mindful of that. On the 4-hour chart, we have had this all-time high. Price is trading towards it. It missed it by number of points. And this is our range, so this all-time high to this low here. And this point in time, we have weak highs here and here. Now, let me change this to a range tool. And I will remove some of the indicators here. Yeah, there we go. Cleaner chart. Now, this remains the draw liquidity. This all-time high. In the meantime, if we go to a lower chart, let's go to the 15-minute. Actually, let me go to this 15-minute because I have some relevant indicators here. So on the 15-minute, we see that we have this impulse, right? So from this, the bottom of this displacement candle up to here. This is the impulse I'm looking at. And I have the Asia high here. I have this candle high that was traded through. So swept liquidity here, going down. But now we have this imbalance here. So at this point in time, I'm looking for price to do something like this. And take the all-time high. Right? Now I'd be very cautious about this due to the fact that it's news day, and also the fact that we have this low here, and price might just play around this area. I might just play around in this area until later in the day. Now, what do you see here? Inside this range, from the July 21 high to the July 22nd low, we have this target and we have this target. So on the bearish side, if this gap gets filled, 1 second, this gap gets filled, price comes down into discount of this. Yeah, we could see price going all the way down to yesterday's low. All right. Did I close there? Okay. This. I don't know. So yeah. We will need to see what the news brings, but as it is for now, be mindful. You have this range here where it's interesting to see how price will react and for price to go to all-time high, or does it come down all the way down to equilibrium of this range. Let's see. We have had this equal high here, and if you can see, it lines up perfectly with 50% of this impulse. So that's an inflection point. Price comes there, and we'll have a clearer picture. If it continues to 50% of the range from previous all-time high to July 22nd low. That's it for today. Stay safe. Bye.